In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious sheep pan kebabs, Adana style. This method has literally gone viral because you can make restaurant-style kebabs at home simply with just a baking sheet and using your own oven. You will need around 600 grams of minced lamb, or use any other meat of your choice, like beef or chicken. You will also need 1 round onion, a handful of parsley, 4 garlic cloves, and a pepper. Blend together onion, garlic, pepper, and parsley. Blend to a puree. In a large bowl, combine your wet ingredients to your minced meat. Season generously with spices. Here I've used turmeric, ground cumin, garam masala, and salt. Mix well by hand or use a mixer. Brush the baking sheet with oil. Spread the kebab mix onto the baking sheet. Using your fingertips, make slight indentations. Using a kitchen utensil, gently separate the kebabs. This does not have to be an exact measurement. Brush over the kebabs with oil. Place your kebabs in a preheated oven to 200 degrees. Bake for around 25 minutes and flash grill for the last 5 minutes for that charcoal appearance and flavour. Tip out any excess oil from your baking sheet and divide up your kebabs.